yes, I'm back here in New Zealand. I'm heading to Reefton, which is about a quarter of the way up in the South Island of New Zealand. Hanging out with my auntie here and for a couple of days, checking out the vibes down here in the South Island in Reefton. I've never been to Reefton. It's probably one of the only spots that I've not been to in New Zealand. I've pretty much been everywhere else. So it's good to catch up with family and check out some of the vibes down here in the South Island. It is winter, so hopefully I can get some shots with the fly cam of some of the snow on some of the mountains. So we're on a bit of a powerhouse walk. It's just a track that leads to a power station and a drawbridge. We're gonna go and check it out. But here it seems quite serene. Got the river and the native bush, but it is really cold here. We are at the site of the original Reefton powerhouse, or their power station. And this site actually was the first public electricity supply in the Southern Hemisphere. It was here in Reefton. And these are the ruins of that powerhouse right there. Whoa, that's what it used to look like. Alright guys, we are down here riverside in Reefton. I've got the fly cam warming up in the air, and this river's beautiful, man. We've got the drawbridge across here, so let's check out some of the vibes, life from above here in Reefton, New Zealand.